How to add your pattern to Silhouette Studio. Designer Edition or higher. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Library tab. Step 2. Go to the left panel and collapse the folder that's open. Step 3. Select the Patterns folder. Step 4. Right-click the pattern folder and select New folder. Step 5. Name the new folder and press Enter. Step 6. Select the folder you just created, then open the folder in your computer where the patterns are saved. Step 7. Select the patterns you want to add to Silhouette Studio, then drag them to the thumbnail area of the folder you just created. Step 8. Once done, these patterns will be available in your library and in the Pattern Fill panel. Step 9. To confirm, click Open the Fill panel in the right toolbar and select the Fill Pattern tab. Step 10. Scroll through and you should be able to locate the patterns you uploaded to the library. Basic Edition. Step 1. Go to the Library tab. Step 2. Go to File, in the top left side of the screen select Library, then Import to Library. Step 3. Navigate to and select the pattern you want to upload and click OK. Step 4. You will find the pattern you just uploaded in the User Designs folder. Step 5. To upload these patterns in a new folder, right-click the Library folder and select New folder. Step 6. Locate the folder you just created and rename it. Step 7. Drag the imported designs from the User Designs folder to the newly created folder. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.